They're fighting. See?
Oh yeah.
Why are you fighting? Oh my god, no, 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 no.
That's cute.
Oh. Oh, so serious. Oh. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ไลฟ์สไตล์บายมาริ USA นะคะคลิปนี้มาริจะพาทุกคนไปดูฟาร์มหมูนะคะไปดูว่าการขยายพันธุ์หมูเป็นยังไงนะคะมาริก็จะมารอรถตรงนี้นะคะแล้วก็จะนั่งรถบัสคันนี้ไปนะคะไปที่ฟาร์มหมูกันนะคะไปเลยค่ะทุกคน Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to see the pig farms. Okay, let's go. เราก็ขึ้นมาบนรถบัสนะคะทุกคนเพื่อที่ว่าจะไปทัวร์นะคะบัส for farm tour ก็จะมีทุกคนขึ้นมาแบบนี้นะคะทุกคนเราก็รอรถบัสออกนะคะเป็นแบบนี้นะคะทุกคนโอเคเดี๋ยวรอให้ทุกคนขึ้นมากันก่อนนะคะแล้วเราไปกันเลยนะLook at it. Tour of farm. นี่ก็คือ This is the bar.
Number one concern here in our farm is the health and well-being of our pigs. So with that being said, we're going to follow something called biosecurity. Biosecurity is going to help us prevent the spread of viruses and pathogens from coming into our farms and going out to the other farms around us as well as our surrounding communities. So every day when our farmers come into work, they're going to take a shower. They'll then be provided with a clean and sanitized uniform that goes all the way down to their boots. They'll go about their day working with those pigs. At the end of their workday, they'll leave that dirty uniform here, and then they're going to take another shower. So since you guys are visiting us today here at our pig farm, you guys are going to have to take a shower, but don't worry, it's just a virtual light. So the more you guys scrub underneath these screens, the more bubbles that are going to appear. And once everybody gets nice and clean, I'll have you meet me out in the hallway.
See?
All you gotta do is just do this.
Oh, we showering! Showering!
Hey Colin, you scrub?
ทุกคนโอ้ยกว้างนะคะตรงนี้โอเคเราก็จะเข้าไปข้างในนะคะทุกคน We ready to get in? This is your farm. Look at that one. Look at that one like a cucumber. See? Oh, what a walk.
Amelia, once you see, come on.
Look at that one's chewing on the other one's ear. That's funny.
Oh, them. I don't want to eat them anymore. Look at that. What's it here? Nothing.
I guess the first window.
Where'd he go?
These are bigger. Maybe it's the
Yeah.
ดูไปดูมามนุษย์ทำไมน่ากลัวขนาดนี้กลัวตัวเองจังเลยอะ
enjoying the fine air outside. It's probably hot in there. What a big
Hey, what the mark that for kill?
Huh?
The mark that for kill?
I guess.
Maybe I should not come to here. So sad.
Getting bigger as we move down, don't they?
But I.
Let's see what's down here.
I should not come here. still the same, right? The whole thing is here pig, right?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Ah, it's a big. Ah. Okay. Oh,
Wait, you can't look. You said he was somewhere.
it's so fat. Let me see the scale myself. Think about Okja. Okja, right? I think about movie. It's called Okja. Oh, look at that.
These are all pregnant. Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, let's keep going. There's a lot more down here. Okay, go ahead. I'll wait on her.
Maybe this is the whole thing for us to eat here, huh?
No, these are all pregnant. They're making
No,
babies.
no. I mean, we have pork from this farm to eat, huh?
No, I don't think so. I think this one just makes babies.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Oh. M J มนุษย์นี่โคตรน่ากลัวเลยเนาะ I'm scared of myself.
They don't kill them here. They just make babies here.
I know what they make baby for kill them there.
Somewhere else.
When I see that they scary myself จังเลย See eat it sleep ชิวหยำหยำเสือชิวหยำหยำ What is the white color on the mouth? What's that? Saliva? Or sticker?
Saliva.
What is you? Ooh. 3 months, 4 months.
Yeah. I want to see.
นี่คือส่วนที่เป็นคุณแม่นะคะทุกคนท้องนะคะ ส่วนนี้คือส่วนท้องส่วนผลิตลูกนะคะโอ้ยน่าสงสารจังเลย See that one, babe? Hey, are you pregnant? Step 1, ultrasound.
Hit start.
And then
Hit start.
he start. Oh yeah. Oh, he go the wrong way. Oh, a lot. How many?
3.
A lot. No, sorry. ตรงนี้เรามาห้อง มาดูนะคะ ตรงนี้เป็นที่เกิดbirthing นะคะทุกคน birthing. So now we come to the birthing place. Birthing site. What's that baby shark say? Okay. ส่วนนี้เป็นส่วน Oh my goodness. Oh no. This is one mama?
Yeah.
One mama had that one? This one? One? Whoa. Oh no. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Steal-
9, 10,
steal
11,
Mama.
12.
Look at that. Oh no, I guess they're all. Or two. No.
That's one 12. That one 12. Look at that one. They make a line.
Yeah. Hungry. But she had a lot.
Oh
1, 2, 3, 4,
my gosh.
13.
Goodness.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
อัน
12.
นี้คือส่วนคุณแม่นะคะทุกคน คุณแม่ Oh, look, babe, come here. Babe, come here. Come here. They're fighting. They're fighting, that one. This one. They're fighting. See?
Oh yeah.
Why are you fighting? Oh, no.
That's cute.
Oh. Oh, so serious. Oh,
Look, the babies.
oh, they're so serious. Why are they so mean?
Look at that one. It's running around.
Look at that. Fight for the milk?
Look at this one. It's literally running around.
How cute.
Like poor mama. Mama brought them in just one block for feeding only.
Take one home to Trooper, let him play.
Okay.
15.
Let's take the big one.
Oh, it's
This one here.
this one 12. The second one 12.
Look at this one. Look at all the ones there.
Oh, I thought there's only 4 here. I didn't see here. See? Mama, I thought.
Like 16 or 17.
Oh my gosh.
I'm annoyed by the kids. Jeez, these pigs need a vacation.
That's a lot of kids.
Oh, this one's smaller. Newborn, huh? Oh, mama, is that fighting again? That one? Fighting, yum. Why they fighting? Oh. They're boring. They feel so bored and they're fighting.
Yeah.
Mama said, God damn it. Just lay down. I want to sleep. Oh. The pair. Mama. This one. Babe, this color. You see the color? Cucumber, see?
Oh yeah.
This one color. There. This one.
They left their hair.
No, color, see? See?
Look at all those.
Have eyebrows, you see? Look at it. Look at here. Have eyebrows, see?
Oh yeah.
See, look at here.
Cute.
The coaster here, see?
I see.
Oh. Oh, mama. Poor mama. What's she doing?
Look at that.
What's she doing?
She's trying to eat, I think.
Give me some food. Give me some food. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
Have the filet mignon.
The tail.
Cucumber.
Mm.
She pooping?
No.
That one's got a tongue.
Try to eat. She's trying to eat, see? Yum. Give me some food. Give me some food.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
They're not fighting
9,
it.
10,
Why they're fighting?
11, 12, 13.
What?
So cute. Are these guys still fighting over here?
Still? They're still? Oh. One over there, baby. Oh, there. Over there too.
Yeah.
Every family have every sibling have fun. It's feeding, the eating, but that one didn't care the eating. That's bad. Four, that's one four. My mother was cool. Funny. That's only good fighting. Baby sister tried to say stop, and mama angry, stand up. Damn kid, I want to sleep.
Oh, I need questions.
Look at these guys. They've been fighting for like 5 minutes. These guys right here. See them? Oh, they stopped.
Oh, no. Take a little bit.
No rest.
Oh, look at that. This one's laid out on her.
Yeah, on top of them. Look, she's gonna go get in on it. I want a piece of this action. Oh, she's little. Look how tiny she is.
What she do? You will hurt. Get out from them. Let them alone. Leave them alone. You said, oh no, 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 it's not safe for me. Get back, get back. They're serious, baby. They're not fair. See them ear, see? See them ear hurt, no, no, no. What? Oh no, oh no, no. What is to say that's fighting? See? The back is laid lower, baby. Look at that. Let's say that's fighting. See? Ear. Everything is hurt. Oh. Oh, no. Don't. Oh no. Run away. See, it hurt. Look at that.
Hungry.
Can't eat chicken in bed.
Yeah, take a break. I'll suck on mama a little bit.
This one drink water. This one go drink water. This
They
one.
both look like they're gonna
Oh,
fight.
they want to fight. Oh.เยอะมากเลยทุกคน It's a lot and then they're fighting. It's here. Listen.
No, not one parent. Look.
Oh, this one's too tiny. So tiny one. Mama's so big. Nobody fight here. Nobody fighting here. Yeah, seems like a little. Some little. The same size, right?
I see some fighting. You see them?
They do look like they're fighting.
You see them? No, not over there, down there.
Stop it.
Aiden, come here. Aiden, look. There's little horns fighting.
This one's so little. Maybe just one day, huh? See?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're tiny ones. It's
See?
newborns, huh?
Maybe newborn. I think maybe just one day, 2 day, huh? ตัวนี้น่าจะออกใหม่นะทุกคนน่าจะแบบคลอดได้1 วัน 2 วันตัวเล็กมากเลยตัวเล็กนิดเดียวเห็นไหมคะตัวเล็กมากเลยอ่ะอ๋อฟันตัวเล็กทีเดียวdreaming dreaming Lim baby, yeah.
But it's funny.
This one start. What's that? This one start separate, mom.
Yeah, look over here.
Okay.
Wait, let's go this way. Let's see what's over here.
Oh, this one wedding. This
Yeah.
wedding, huh?
Yeah, they're getting ready to have their babies.
This one ready for give birth.
Ready to
Yeah.
have baby?
same, right?
That must be why they're so dirty. Why is that one? I don't remember him being that
Oh my gosh.
And Joey's only 15 though. Look at him. Focus. He's the size of Joey's shoe.
He's teeny.
See? He can barely run through the
Step on
grass.
yesterday.
Look at him, trying to run through the grass. Look how little cute that little shoe is. Look, he's the size of Joey's boots. Telling me that's bigger than Joey?
I want him to be that tiny.
Yeah. It's okay. ทุกคนมารีนะคะ ดูแล้วก็สงสารนะคะ ก็เลยแบบไม่ดูแล้วนะคะ เพราะว่าคือจะถามว่าเลิกกินหมูไหมก็ไม่เลิกเลยค่ะก็เลยไม่อยากจะดู I don't wanna see them because I still wanna eat them. If I see them more, I will crying and I cannot eat them anymore. ตายไม่ไหวคือเห็นแล้วมันน่าสงสารมากนะคุณนอนแบบเหมือนอีคิวเหมือนลูกชายเหมือนหมาที่บ้านเลยนะคุณนอนเกยกันไปเกยกันมาโอเคค่ะทุกคนที่เห็นมารีดราม่าเล็กๆไปนะคะมารีเข้าใจผิดไปเองนะคะว่าที่ฟาร์มนี้เขามีการฆ่าหมูด้วยนะคะดูแล้วก็สงสารน้องนะคะแล้วก็จริงๆแล้วตัวเองก็ยังเป็นคนกินหมูอยู่ก็เลยไม่อยากจะดูนะคะแต่พอมาอ่านดูดีๆที่นี่เขาจะเป็นฟาร์มที่เพาะพันธุ์ขยายพันธุ์เฉยๆนะคะมารีก็เลยแบ่งปันให้เพื่อนๆได้ดูด้วยนะคะว่าการขยายพันธุ์การคุณแม่เพิ่งคลอดแล้วก็น้องหมูเพิ่งคลอดวันแรกเป็นยังไงนะคะทุกคนขอบคุณเพื่อนๆนะคะที่ติดตามรับชมฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์กดติดตามและกดกระดิ่งเพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้มาได้ทำคลิปใหม่ๆต่อไปด้วยนะคะสำหรับวันนี้ไปแล้วค่ะ I misunderstood that there would be slaughter pig too, so I cried because I felt pity of the pigs. But it turned out that this place only beats pig and birds of piglets and pig of reproductive age. That's all. No killing. Yeah, I feel better now. Thank you for watching my video. Please click like, share, and subscribe. Press the button bell to get notified when I have a new video. Bye for today. Bye bye.